In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Code of the Lamb multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, there was a recent update to Code of the Lamb which introduced co-op gameplay. Your friend is going to be able to control the sheep that helps you during your play session. Now, this update is the Unholy Alliance update, so make sure that you have the latest version of Code of the Lamb installed. Something that I need to make very clear is that the only option that you have for multiplayer is going to be local co-op. I'm going to talk about an option that might allow you to play online, but for now, officially, you can only do local co-op. So update your game, launch Code of the Lamb, and load up a save file where you have completed the tutorial. Now, pause the game at any point, and in there, one of the options is going to be Add Co-op Player. If you don't see this option, it means that you still need to connect a controller to your PC. So connect an additional controller to your PC or console, and then this option will become available. Afterwards, you just have to assign the goat. So assign the goat accordingly, just drag the keyboard or controller that you have connected, one for each player, and once they are properly assigned, summon the goat and enjoy your co-op experience. You and your friend will be able to explore dungeons together, fight enemies, build structures, and grow your code. Like I said, Code of the Lamb's co-op is local only, meaning that you will need to be playing on the same console or network to play together. The second character is going to be controlled by your friend, and you will be able to play right after completing the tutorial. This update also includes a lot of new features besides co-op, such as new relics, quests, and more. Now, if you want to do online, you can try using Steam Remote Play. Steam Remote Play tries to simulate the local co-op experience, but you can do it over online. It doesn't work flawlessly, but if you have a good network, you just have to open the Steam overlay and choose the option to use Steam Remote Play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Code of the Lamb multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.